Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to discuss about arithmetic expressions in Java. So in the plus sign, we use this to add things, minus to subtract, and parentheses or star is used to multiply, a slash is used to divide, and a modulus is used to get the remainder of a division. So let's try these symbols or syntax with some examples. So first we declare a variable, and let's use 2. Let me change this. 2 plus 3. Then should print it out. Print out x. And there you go. 2 plus 3 is equals 5. And use minus 3. And let's rerun it. -1, we get the value of -1. And let's try to multiply this. As you can see, we get the value of 6, so it's working just fine. And now let's try to divide this. So let's use divisible numbers first. 6 divided by 2. We've got a value of 3. And lastly, the modulus is used to find the remainder of a division. So let's try dividing indivisible numbers. Try 15, and we divide it using the modulus symbol. It's divided by 2. So system print out x, and as you can see, it has the remainder of 1 because 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14, and 14 minus 15 equals to 1, or -1 in that matter. So let's try another example. Let's divide by 6, and let's raise this to 21. And we got the remainder of 3 because 6 multiplied 3 is equals to 18, and 21 minus 18 is equals to 3. So we can also use arithmetic expressions in variables. So let's declare a few more variables. So let's declare x as 4, and another variable should name y as, let's say, 6. There you go. And declare another variable for that, which is z. And in here we operate using these two variables. So x, and let's multiply this by y, and of course we have to print out z. So let's print out z. As you can see, we got a value of 24, and all is the same using arithmetic expressions. Of course, you can also add in a string, so a reference type value. So all we have to do is use arithmetic expressions. Like for this one, you could use addition. So for example, let's say it is UR, then space, then plus another string, years old, and that. So this should output, and there you go, you are 24 years old. So a UR string value, and our z variable, and a years old string value. So that is it for arithmetic expressions. I hope you learned something, and if you like this video, please support me by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos. And of course, comment down below on how I can become a better teacher and a better coder. Thanks for watching.